Hey guys, I'm Nisha Homie. Today I'm sharing a healthy, filling and fiber-rich salad loaded with vegetables, ideal as a meal for lunch or for dinner in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. I'm heating some water in a saucepan and I'm bringing this to a boil. While the water boils, I'm getting ready the other ingredients. I have thinly sliced one medium-sized carrot, one medium-sized cucumber and 1/4 of a cabbage. Now you can use any seasonal vegetables of your choice. You can also add in green leafy vegetables of your choice. To make the salad dressing into a small container or a bowl, I'm adding in 1 tablespoon wood pressed sesame oil. Instead of sesame oil, you can use olive oil as well. 2 tablespoons coconut aminos. Coconut aminos is a healthier option to soy sauce. Also, it's slightly lighter than soy sauce, hence I'm adding in 2 tablespoons. You can increase or decrease as per your taste. Half tablespoon apple cider vinegar. Make sure you're using the apple cider vinegar which has the mother. Juice of 1 lemon. Pink Himalayan salt as needed. Half teaspoon chilli flakes. 8 garlic cloves finely crushed, and give this all a good mix. To balance the flavors, I am adding in shatavari infused in honey. This is entirely optional. You can add in plain honey instead. This will help to balance all the flavors. 1 teaspoon roasted black sesame seeds, some finely chopped coriander leaves, and give this all a good mix. The honey will help to balance the flavors. And my salad dressing is ready. Now the best thing about this salad dressing is that you can store it in an airtight glass container and it will stay good in the refrigerator for a couple of days. To make the noodles, I am using 50 grams of rice vermicelli, and once the water starts to boil, add in the 50 grams of rice vermicelli into the hot water and let it sit for 2 minutes on low flame. About 2 minutes later, the noodles will be soft. So at this moment, I am straining these noodles. Once it has softened, I am straining the noodles. And then I am rinsing it under running water. Rinsing it under running water will prevent it from sticking. To assemble the salad, I am placing the vegetables onto a plate. Place the cooked and rinsed noodles. Pour in the prepared salad dressing. Mix everything really well. Once nicely mixed, sprinkle in some more finely chopped coriander leaves. For added crunch and for some natural healthy fats, I am adding in a handful of roasted and salted peanuts, and my super healthy rice salad is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy noodle salad and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.